Ok, así se hace el video. Got it. Hi everybody. It's been a long time since I put anything on the page, and even longer since I put a video. But today I'm gonna do some finger food, something that you can do for I don't know, Sunday football party, or even to snack. I'm gonna do jalapeños wrapped in bacon with cream cheese filling. All you need is I have about a pound of jalapeños that are about that size. I cut it in half, cleaned it up, and then wash them. I have bacon cut in half to wrap them up. About a cup of cream cheese. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of parmesan cheese and a teaspoon of ranch dressing powder. And I have cut over here a mix of chives and cilantro that we're gonna put in the cheese first. Then a cup of tablespoon of parmesan cheese and a teaspoon of ranch powder. We're gonna mix all this until it's all uniform. This mix, actually, you can use it for a dip. Warm it up a little bit. It's pretty good. Now, you're gonna use a spoon. Put a little bit on the inside of the jalapeno. Then you're gonna use the bacon. Stretch the bacon to wrap them up. So when it cooks, the bacon will tug in the jalapeno and grab itself better. Put it on a pan sheet with a little bit of spray oil so it doesn't stick. Alright. And keep going until you do all the rest. And then we're going to put them on the oven for 400 degrees, and we come back to that. After we wrap all the jalapenos with the cream cheese inside, we put the tray in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And we're going to get back when that's done. It took a little bit more than 25 minutes. It took about 40 minutes, 35 minutes. The bacon, it looks like it was too skinny to wrap the jalapenos right, but it's still gonna taste like Let's take it out. Be careful because, you know, it's kind of hot. Now we're gonna let them cool down a little and chow it out a lot. See you next time. Llevó un poquito más de 20 minutos, 35 minutos.